Hisense U7 Series MiniLED TVS hit shelves in time for FIFA Club World Cup 2025. Hisense recently introduced the 2025 ULED TV lineup featuring models such as the U6, U7, U8, and U9 series. Now, the brand has shared more news regarding its U7 series MiniLED TVS. Designed for gamers and sports viewers, the U7 series is scheduled to release in the US starting April 15th and European availability is expected from May 15th. The lineup, available in sizes ranging from 55 to 116 inches, features MiniLED Pro technology for improved brightness, deeper blacks, and enhanced HDR performance through increased local dimming zones compared to earlier models. The TVS use a high-view AI engine PRO, which Hisense states has a CPU 1.6 times faster and an NPU 1.5 times quicker than previous versions. This processor enables AI-driven scene optimization and glare reduction via an anti-reflection screen. Color accuracy is supported by quantum dot color technology and Pantone validation, alongside Dolby Vision, Filmmaker Mode, and IMAX Enhanced for 4K content. Gaming features include a 165Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K at 120Hz, and Auto Low Latency Mode. Audio is handled by a 2.1 two-channel system with Dolby Atmos and attuned by DVLA certification, upgradable through a free software update. Hisense, the official partner of the FIFA Club World Cup 2025, promotes the U7 series as a good option for sports viewing, with features aimed at improving motion clarity and contrast. The MiniLED backlight is intended to maintain detail while delivering higher brightness levels. Prices have not been announced yet. The revolution of light. Embrace the elegance of true darkness and stellar brightness. MiniLED Pro creates an intricate dance of shadows, casting every hue from intense sunlight to a deep abyss. Scenes are rendered with finesse, allowing the play of light and shade to enthrall you every moment. Billion-plus shades of vivid color. With quantum dot color, it isn't just about color, it's a revolution in display technology. Dive into an expansive spectrum where every hue is intensifying, every gradient fine-tuned, from the deepest red rose to the subtlest blue sky. Witness a world rendered with an authenticity that mirrors life itself. Maintain your competitive edge. Step up your game with the 140Hz Game Mode Pro, enhanced with an integrated game bar. Dive into ultra-fluid motions, thanks to precise variable refresh rates and low-latency MEMC. At a lightning-fast 140Hz, it's not just about playing. It's about conquering every frame. Victory, ever look this smooth.